What up, guys? Welcome back to another episode, another reaction video, bar by bar reactions. Please subscribe on our YouTube channel, follow us on TikTok and Facebook, bar by bar reactions on all those three social media platforms. It's actually the same name. We will be doing Flash Ikumkani featuring Maraza. The title is Kinipi. Kinipi. Okay. 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 I think le ngoma ya last year, if I'm not mistaken, or earlier this year, I'm not sure. I'm honestly not sure. It's just that nje umuntu okwebhizi bantu ngena chance yokwenza ezi reaction videos. So we will be doing this song. Azanda imamela, honestly. Ndiyaqala nobona ii-visuals zayo. So yeah, without wasting any time, masiyene ngomeni.
Bawuthething emaluni moshela ixesha zela nencwadi ndokubiza ligqwetha uba usifanile ibala ngobhe nenza amasilaliso loko siyapheka fumana imali ndiphume ndiyothenga xa ndigqiba ndiyaseva cause andifuna ukuxeka andifuna ushort andifuna uleka andifuna uzibona ndibuyela ngasemva okabentrep soloko ndisitarela ichwepha kaloku analo linye ithemba zonga ngokhepha soloko inyani ndayithetha kaloku inyani iyanceda sezobangena funa uba nendlu entabeni edongeni ndixhoma iplex lento ndiyayenza.
If Lomjita is not one of the best trappers we have in the country, I then andazi, honest. I'm still trying to think, but yes, we have MT, of course. Oh, Flame by happy. This guy, I actually rate this guy. I won't lie. Oh, yeah, trapper lenqawa. Ay.
Ithemba zonga ngokhepha soloko inyani ndayithetha kaloku inyani iyanceda sezobangena funa uba nendlu entabeni edongeni ndixhoma iplex lento ndiyayenza andikho ndedwa xa ndiyenza neenkabi zam usiyatrapha yebo fondini apha siphezu kwemishini apha siphusha ishishini dyala selalini kwasoloko ndiselayinini zama ukuphuhlisa i-ac anasizi ngawo tiwilile qala ibeef nam qikilitshi flow yam in tibilisi suka
Big shout out to Maningi. Big shout out to Maningi. Ay, leya. Qali beef nam nqikilitshi. Yo ayayintsha leya. Yo. Ay, that's one guy. And ishoba yakhe kumntu orhalela uba wayene beef nayo. Ay. Big shout out to Maningi.
zama ukuphuhlisa i-ac anasizi ngawo tiwilile qala ibeef nam qikilitshi flow yam in tibilisi suka phambi kwam bibibib chinipi 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 chinipi
Maraza angandigqwetha. Hey, iflow yale tyani. Ay, ingandibhida le ndiyayonqena. Yo lenqawa. Yo, inale flow yayo islick man. Hey,
chinipi 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 willipi chinipi chinipi hella smooth she believe too much heat we believe when you game mimilit ingantis chinipi kodilika mabili ngibenzela mafilimi sebecela ma DVD pull up with that swagger they couldn't believe still in the trap I maneuver with ease Sunu Mandela lendlala izuphela I'm dodging the snakes while they chase after Eve give me a ring I'm on his release mawufaka i-order mina ngizodelive mawunqaba ukulalela lokho kuzolandela kuzokuvula indlebe ngompini wentini ayikozoqala indishintsha nemeko khuphula ikasi ndikhuphula itrap mina nekumkane sihlanganisa iplani yozothatha ilali sifake kwimap ey okungenza ngibe ngcono mina kuningi konzibalanga inkosi yamaniki oyisusa nami uyazi usale empini asilime siye ekutheni kuphuka ipiki chinipi 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 chinipi
Okay. At least. At least because, well, usually, ay, madoda, ay. Okay, no, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Ginny P, 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 Ginny P. Quick, then I feel quick, ngiyabawisa okomna bendisiza ziyawinsikelelo kuya quitch yami impumelelo seyifika hlala nipusha itheshwa ngithanda uchill funa utshintshe imeko
You know, I don't want to say this, ne, but I'll say it anyway. I feel like Lomjita would have blown up long ago, around COVID 2021. He would be shit. He would be the shit, honestly, currently. But there's that move. The Jan. But it's fine. Abantu hip hop bayayazi. Local hip hop bayayazi. Le move ngithetha ngayo. I'm not sure about that move, honestly, but well, it's fine.
ngiyabawisa okomna bendisiza ziyawinsikelelo kuya quitch yami impumelelo seyifika hlala nipusha itheshwa ngithanda uchill funa utshintshe imeko umadiba jaba nazo ngapha ziyandila ndize ngenye indlela nifike strongo thetha isipane nithule nivala umlomo bringa imali ngihlale nimise ingqondo buze njani ndikubona ngoko balidabi makuyiwa khondo mile ngciyani gunqo njengefoto oko benilolana nesakhono ndiyinkosi ngibone guqu nono chichicinga drip yami chip nibi drip yama keep salutile ncaza neskip bethe ngenye iqhazo kanye kick nangimhlale funa ukuthatha ipick flow game yami isick apho kule game kumele uqiqi ziphezulu funa nkick Ginny P, Ginny P, Ginny P, Ginny.
One thing I hate, okay, not hate. Okay, one thing I don't like, rather. Ingoma message. Once ingoma ibe ingoma yodlulisa message, well, you hardly get bars, metaphors, punchlines, you name them. You hardly get those qualities, because the purpose is to pass the message, and I'm not sure, I'm not a rapper. I think maybe it's hard, to actually have those kwingoma ofuna udlulisa ngayo message. I'm not sure if I'm making sense or what, but maybe it's hard, and it's not the priority. I don't know, because lengoma, yes, it's the track, a trap song, but I don't know, honestly.
funa nkick Ginny P, 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 Ginny P.
Okay, I guess that's it. The chosen ones. Is this a record label or cinematographer? Anyway, big shout out to them. I think it's great visuals, I won't lie. Yeah, as I've said, I think it's a song with a message behind it. So there was not much to trying to break down, to actually analyze bars. Or maybe they went over my head. I don't know. It's possible, but I don't think so, man. I think everything was just, nothing profound. It's just topical. It was just here, easily catched, everything, the lyrics. Yeah, I had a few rhymes here and there, but yeah, I think it's a trap song with a message. I think that's my final whatever. And anyway, please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, Bar by Bar Reactions, and please follow us on TikTok, Bar by Bar Reactions, and Facebook, Bar by Bar Reactions. Dango.